Hi children, this is the English activities for Wednesday the 3rd of June. We're going to start off with another 3 words for the spelling lists for you to learn. And they are eighth, forward and peculiar. If you can do your look, say, cover right check in the boxes and the columns, and then put them into sentences or definitions. Okay, we're going to continue with the Firework Maker's Daughter chapter 1. So this is a continuation from yesterday. If you read it through as many times as you want to, get to know the character, the settings, what's happening, and then we've got some oral questions for you to answer. Okay, I hope you enjoy the start of it, of this chapter, this book, and see if you can find out what these words mean. You can jot them down next to them. Okay, there's the test 6 grammar and punctuation look test, 10 questions. You can tick the boxes or write down correcting any errors, and the answers will be available in Thursday's pack. Okay, the main exercise today is the learn intentions to summarise a story. Listen to 2 versions of the story. You read the first, or you listened to the first story yesterday, and we've got another listening. If you follow this link here, this is where the author actually reads her own story. So what can you notice in the story that this second time? Which of the 2 readings do you prefer? Then answer some questions. Read an extract 1 for yourself. Challenge yourself to read extract 2 and 3, and then read some of the Henry's Freedom Box questions and write your answers. Then in those 3 extracts, you can choose 3 key events so that you can summarise, and what you can do is make an illustration for each one and write a caption that explains it. Okay, and then for fun time extras, if you can practice reading extract 1 out loud, read it to somebody else, and then use your key events to tell them the rest of the story. And there you go, extract 1, extract 2, extract 3, and then here you've got the questions. Look carefully. What tense is the story written in? Is it past tense, present or future? And write down some examples showing which tense it's written in. So look at the verbs. Which words and phrases stood out when you reread the story? So which sentences really stood out for you? Something that was shocking, surprising. And then how's tension built in the story? Find an example and explain how it is built. Does it make you sit up and really follow it? Are there any short sentences? So that creates tension. And then find some speech, so inverted commas, in the story. Write them below, write a few examples. And then this is the key events, where you've got 3 main key events. If you can, in the larger box, if you can illustrate, and then underneath write a caption for each one. And the answers are at the end of the pack. Good luck.